Hello everyone and good morning to Madam Larifa. I'm Eric Ananawem with the metric number of 79325. So today I would like to share about my self-reflection for the course of TMF 1214 Computer Architecture. In this video, I have simplified it into four main parts. The first part is my expectation for this course. The second one is did the class or course provide with what I hope. The third one is how this course changed my life as a student. The fourth one is things I like most and least about the class or course. First thing first, before I going into more detail and explain about my expectation, I would like to share with you guys what is computer architecture is all about. This is based on my understanding and what I have learned during these 14 weeks. So basically, computer architecture is about the specification detailing on how a set of software and hardware technology standard interact to form a computer or platform. So now, I would like to explain my expectation for this course one by one. First, I want to learn and explore more about this course. Second, I want to get to know what computer architecture is all about. Since before start study about computer architecture, I always assumed that computer architecture is only about hardware. But after going into more detail in class every week, I understand that computer architecture is also about the software. All these components interact with each other to make sure that the computer works well. Next, of course, I want to get an excellent result during final exam. And also, I want to have the chance to apply all the knowledge that I have learned in future, not only during my 4 years of study, but also during my occupation or job someday. Second, I would like to explain about my second reflection based on the second part, which is did the class or course provide with what you hope? During these 14 weeks of study, each and every week of class has become very informative. In these 14 weeks, we have learned about 11 chapter and lecture in total. I'm so happy and excited to learn all of these new things about computer. Since before this, I've never been taught and learned about this. For example, I learned about the error detection and correction during data transmission. Second, I'm knowing how main components such as CPU, GPU, I/O, and also system bus interact and interrelated with each other. And also, I learned about internal and external memory of a computer. During the project and assignment, we have to apply all the knowledge that we have learned to solve all the questions. Third, I would like to explain how this course changed my life as a student. After learning this course for about 14 weeks, it has bring so much positive impacts to me myself, and I have become an informative person. For example, before class, I always doing some research about the topic that I'm going to study on that day. This is to make sure that I understand about what is the lecturer going to explain on that day. After class, I will do some revision. This is to make sure that I can fully understand about the topics and will not drop out in the lecture. Besides, by doing group project and also assignment, it has introduced me to higher and critical thinking skills. This is because we, as a group member of 5 people, need to brainstorming and solve all of the questions. Last but not least, I would like to share 2 things about the class. One is the thing that I like most, and another one is the thing that I like least about the class. First, the thing that I like most about the class is the very friendly, interactive, and kind-hearted lecturer. The lecturer always assists her student that need helps during project or assignment. Next, he also shares some additional knowledge about computer architecture during class. This is to make sure that her student fully understand about what computer architecture is all about. Second, the thing that I like list about the class is we cannot have a face-to-face or physical class during the second semester of studying computer architecture. Therefore, we need to have discussion virtually during assignment and project. Some of our students have also faced network problem and also device problem during the class or presentation. That's all from my presentation from the self-reflection. I hope you guys enjoy it and thank you.